This is a very quick example of how we can create standard pallets from scratch. The first step is to run quick Pallet Maker, and we open the standard cases and pallets window. Next, we click on the tab, the second tab, which is the pallets tab. And now what we'll do is just delete all the pallets that we have saved. So we just clear them, click on the delete button. It asks us if we really want to delete them, say yeah. And now we restore from defaults. Okay, we'll just have 6 different pallets here. So we want to create one that's based on the 48 by 40. So we select the third one, click on Edit, Duplicate, and we're going to call it GMA. We're going to change the color. And we're also going to change the maximum height, put 54 inches. Okay. Now we have these pallets here in the list, and we're going to open a new data sheet, starting from primary package. And we can see that if we select the new pallet, we should see the 48 by 40 and the maximum 54. Thank you.